welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. It is going to be a kind of try-on style, which is why I just have my face makeup on. So I did open this and kind of get a sneak peek in here so I could see like what makeup I don't need to put on, so that way I can try it for you guys. So it did actually come with like an eyeshadow face palette, which I realized after I already did my blush, but I can still, you know, apply the blush that's in here. If you guys want to see my October Boxycharm and kind of see my first impressions on the items, then let's just jump right in. Alright, so I have my mirror up here. I'm sorry if you guys can kind of see that. So, jumping right in here, the first thing that is in here is an eyeshadow palette slash face palette. This is by Pure, and this packaging is actually really cute. Midnight Masquerade. So it looks like it actually has two blushes and two highlights in here, and then there are some eyeshadows. I have not opened this to actually see like what it looks like. Okay, so the actual palette has the same packaging, which is so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys know how much this palette retails for. It always comes with this little card. So this palette retails for $38, and it says, this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. I actually really love how it's like two-sided here. I think that's really cute. So you get pretty decent size highlights, and there are, it looks like maybe 3 blush shades, because this is definitely too dark to be a highlight. It looks like it could maybe be a bronzer, but it has like a lot of like pinky tones in it, so I don't know about that. And then these are the eyeshadows here. So this is actually covered, so let's just take this off. It does come with a little mirror here, so there is a brown in here, which is nice. So I don't know what look I'm going to create, but I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit so we can play around. Alright, so now that we are very up close and personal, this is what the palette looks like close up. Alright, so because there isn't a lighter crease shade in there, I'm just jumping into my Lorac Pro palette, and I always forget that I have this palette because I leave it in the background, so I always forget it's in here. But I'm going to go in with this tan shade right here. I'm just going to go in with that as my transition shade and pop that into my crease.
Oh yeah, my eyes are clear, there's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious?
Alright, so I did actually dip into this walnut shade too, because this one was not dark enough. So now I think what I'm going to do is go in with this sneak peek shade, which is that brown shade. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put this into my crease. It does seem very pigmented, and it seems like it's pretty easy to blend out as well.
There's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend. Is it easy?
Alright, so this color is like speaking to me, this like green shade right here. Alright, I'm going to go into a synthetic brush. This is a concealer brush from Sigma. I'm just going to take that shade and I'm going to put this right on my eyelid. Yes, this color is so pretty. I don't have any color like this really in my collection, so I am excited. This is like the perfect fall color. I don't know if it's like actually coming up true to color on camera, but it's like really pretty. Oh, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all of the nice comments in my last video. I know I did kind of like a first impressions, but I kind of talked about how I was feeling lately, and a lot of you guys were so sweet. So thank you guys so much for being so kind. I really appreciate it. So this is what we are looking like. It's really, I feel like it's not showing up on camera how green it is in person. I'm just going to take a little bit more and I'm going to spray my brush. There goes my whole Boxycharm. Okay, great. I'm just going to give that a little spray. See if this really does anything. Oh yeah, look at that. To be honest, guys, I never really use a shimmer without spraying my brush, just because I feel like it makes such a difference. I really love the finish that it gives. It makes it like metallic, and I feel like it makes it last longer too. I want to be able to play with more of the colors, so I might use this purple like on my lower lash line, which is definitely going to be a statement to say the least, but I don't know how else I can use it. I just want to show you guys, this silver shade is really, really pigmented. Actually, ooh, I don't know, you guys. When I swatched it, it kind of got like kind of chunky. I don't know how I feel about that one. I think what I'm going to do is go in with this kind of like silvery color, this 12 a.m. kind of silvery color, and I'm going to apply that on my outer corner. I don't know how this is going to look, but we're going to try. I'm going to take a dab of this silver shade, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner. I don't know how this is going to look. Oh god. Yeah, I'm not loving that. I'm just going to go in and just take more of this kind of, these two shades, and just blend this outer corner. I feel like it looks a little messy. With the weight of the world on my shoulders, I know I told you. It's the best light I know. So I'm going to go into that brown shade for the lower lash line. My lower lashes. It's not a game that I am playing, my love. Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. Alright, and then I'm going to take some of that green on my finger, and I'm just going to put this right in the middle of my eye. I literally just created a look just like this on my last video, so honestly, like, I don't love the way this eyeshadow look turned out. I don't know if I love that like outer kind of gunmetal color, so I'm going to go back in with that brown shade and kind of go over that, because I'm not loving it. Yes, that is much better. I'm just a warm toned girl. Like, it's so hard to love cool tones. Like, I try to switch it up, but I have to say I do really like this brown color in this palette. It's very rich and very easy to blend. Alright, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner in my waterline. But moving on into the box, I was so excited to see this in this box. You guys know, if you've been following me, you know I love this mascara. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I already own this actually, right here in my makeup bag. So, and I actually needed a new one because this one's like really dried out. So I'm so excited that this came in the box. This retails for $24. I would have repurchased this anyway, so I'm so excited that it's in this box. This mascara is so good. It is a tiny bit on the clumpy side, I noticed. Like, some people think it's too clumpy, but I almost like, I like the clumpy look sometimes. I don't know. So I'm just gonna apply this and I will show you guys how amazing it is. This is what the wand looks like. It just does something magical to the lashes. Of course, I already got some on my eyelid. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but look at that. So that is what the mascara looks like. I think it is such a good mascara. If you guys have never tried this, highly, highly recommend it. Alright, so now moving back to the face, I do want to try this blush. It does seem like really, really pigmented, so, and a little bright, and I already have blush on, so I'm just gonna like dab into it. Oh yeah, like look at how bright that is. It's really pretty though. I really like shades like this for the summer because it just really looks good with a tan. So I'll have to play with that a little bit more. Just gonna blend that a little bit. Alright, and I do want to try this highlight shade. It does look pretty, so that's what it looks like swatched on my hand. So I did not clean my highlight brush, so this is probably bad to, you know, try using a new highlight with old highlight on this brush. So I'm going to try to wipe it off as best as I can and see what this looks like. So it does look really pretty, but again, it's hard to tell if that's just because I have old highlight in my brush. So I'm like the worst YouTuber possibly to exist because you'd think I would clean my brushes beforehand. But it does actually look really pretty though because I'm digging my brush in. So I do think that the highlight that's coming off is from this highlight. And if that's the case, this is a really pretty highlight. I do actually really like that. I think it's really pretty. I'm just gonna spray my face quick just to kind of like melt all the products in. And then the next product in here, this is actually not a makeup product. This is by Briogeo and it's their Don't Repair mask. I actually have the full size of this. This retails for $16. This is a smaller size. This says it's a super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner, provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro capsulated argan oil and optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, and biotin helps promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling your very best. Now I will say I love this product. Like I said, I have the full size and I love it. So if you guys have never tried Briogeo, they are an amazing, amazing hair brand. And then the last item in the box I'm really excited about. This is by Kat Von D. This is their Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the color Bow and Arrow, which I've always wanted. This does seem like it's going to be more of like a brownie nude, which I'm excited to kind of play with. And these retail for $20, and they are a really great formula. So this is what it looks like.
I like the way it's mysterious. I think I found my own way. Is it easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders? I told you it's the best light I know.
Color is so fall. So Kat Von D's formula is different than most liquid lipsticks that I've tried. I own the Lolita color. I own a couple more shades that I really do like. Her formula is more of like a kind of like thinner formula. Like you definitely have to layer it a little bit. Like it's not going to be super pigmented with one swipe. But once you build it up, it does look really nice. And it's already dry. I can't remember how they wear throughout the day. Definitely going to see how this wears throughout the day, and I will let you guys know. And then there was one more thing inside of the box, and this is by the brand Dermovia, which I've never heard before. Their Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, and this retails for $30. And it says that it says it offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. So I will have to let you guys know how this works. Let me know if you guys have gotten your Boxycharm and you've tried this. I'm curious to know how it works, but it retails for 30 bucks. So I'm having high hopes for it because $30 for one mask is very pricey. Alright you guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I do like the look that I created. I really am so excited that I got my favorite mascara. I'm excited about the liquid lipstick. I do like this palette. I like the idea of it. So I'll have to play around with it a little bit more, but I do actually like the way the highlight looks. I think it's a really pretty color. This video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!